Well, as you can see, it's time for the harvest. Where are we? It's Tuesday, the 15th of August 2023, and just out to see what I can see. Going on, it being that time of the year, and the weather's picked up a little bit. It's not as awful it was for the last couple of weeks when it was really quite dry, so it's a lot better now, and the farmers fortunately had a chance to get the crops in, which is good. Well, I'm on the road from Upton to Shenton, and these young bullocks here don't seem to be wanting to come too close, and I'm glad I'm not in the field with them. Hello, come on. Oh, they're all coming now. How are you? No, stop it. What are you like? You got flies on your nose. Yes, you have. This might not be a particularly long video because I've just had a chance to get out, and in my time of life and this time of year, you've just got to get out and do what you can when you can, to be honest. So it's been very pleasant, and caught some harvesting going on as well. Summer, such as it is. Let's make the best of it while we can. Anyway, you know what? That'll do me. You'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.